So last night when me and him a talk, all the fuck me and you talk about your mix up, gone to my baby father. All the fuck me and you depend on one topic me depend. Me no left off of one topic. Me no disrespect him. Me no talk about none of him family them. Me no talk about him friend. Me no talk about him hood. Me no talk about no disrespect. Me depend on one topic which TJ you look a bit of your tune off of your mix up. That was the only point me stick pan and me never leave off of that. But then you want to be disrespectful. So when you be disrespectful, through a Vani and then I like Vani if you take this, but Vani not fit this back. Because, you know when people are this Vani, you have something to sit down and laugh. But when Vani these people rent due, yes, you have to pay it. Rent due, I know haters have to pay it. And if you don't pay it, somebody in your family pay it. Well, I don't worry about my rent, but yet still don't live nowhere. Can't even live in a one lavish apartment like me. You don't even know what is a lavish apartment. You don't even know what is a blood clot luxury apartment. The only thing luxury about in the yard are the natural tree them were outside that grow. Somehow you can't grow a tree because a tree them dead.